would start this off by saying, please don't mind my hair. I got caught in the weather outside, and since I'm about to revert it back to my curls anyway, I was like, you know what? Who needs an umbrella? Who cares? So yeah, as you can see, the curls are starting to come back. But yeah, anyway, back to the more important reason why we're here. You guys, we got a package. And before you be like, you're not in your normal spot where you unbox your packages. No, I'm not, because I wasn't feeling the lighting. The lighting in here, in my opinion, is just better. So we're in here today. But I got a package, and it's from, can you guys see where it's from? It's from Painted. You guys know, if you didn't know, I'm a huge James Charles fan. I am one of the very millions of people that still tune in every Friday for his latest YouTube video. But he recently had a drop, and I was like, you know what? I didn't participate last time. Let me participate this time. So I'm gonna show you. Oh, did I really order all this? Did he add extra? Did I order all this? Maybe I did. Let me show y'all what's in here without spilling it. I got are these the beauty, I don't want to say beauty blender because that's the brand. Oh, mystery makeup sponge, that's what it's called. So apparently I got 8 of them. And then I also got some brushes. So I really wanted to open up the sponges with you all because I'm hoping that I get purple. As you guys know, purple is my color. And I also wanted to get some of his brushes to just, you know, just to use them, just why not? I already have both of his palettes, and I have all of his blushes, both in my personal and professional collection. So some of these sponges will go with my professional collection, but if I get purple, y'all know that's staying with me. So let's go ahead and open these up. So I'm gonna have to rely on my packing slip for this, because while I know what the brushes do, I don't know their actual names, and it says so on the packing slip. So I'm gonna start with the brushes first. First, I got I think this is the blush brush. Yeah, this is the J15 blush brush. So let's go ahead and open her so you guys can see what that's looking like. Hello. And it's dual ended, so this is what it's giving. Do I need to open it all the way? I guess I can. Why not? Why not open it all the way? Hello? Oh, it's stuck. So this is what it's giving. I think one side is for cream and the other side is for powder. So I'm very excited to use this. I actually have this in my professional kit. I haven't used it yet, so this will be my very first time whenever I do my makeup this week for work. Actually, I hope I don't do my makeup for work. I hope we get inclement weather and I can stay home this week. But anyway, so we have that. And then next we have, this is the J6 brush, which is the short liner brush. So like I did with the last one, I'm gonna open this. Okay, got it open. So like I said, this is the J6, this is the short liner brush. As you guys may have seen in my videos, I do use Inglot for my liner, and that requires a brush to go with it. So I'm excited to use this for that. And then next we have the J2, which is the mini concealer brush. I'm actually probably gonna use this to try and cut my crease. To be honest, it's nice and flat. So I feel like it would go perfect for that. Once again, I need to get it out. Okay, I got it. This is again the J2 brush. This is what it looks like. Is that gonna focus? So yeah, I'll be using that for concealer. And then the last brush that I got is the J5 medium liner brush. I don't know why I needed 2 liner brushes. I just wanted to get them, so I did. This one came out, because I figured out what to do now. This one came out easy. J5. Can y'all see that? Hold on. So yeah, now for the part everyone's waiting for. Let's open all of these sponges. Like I said, there's 8 of them. So let's open these all up and see what colors I get. If I don't get purple, I might actually cry. I know people are aiming to get the gold sponge, which is cool, but if I don't get purple. Okay, here's the first one. It's not purple, but you know, whatever. It's a cute little orange one. Okay, okay. I can work with orange. Please let there be a purple in here. Number 2. I didn't show you how to box that well, did I? This is the front. And then as you saw, I don't know if you can see it on the back, it says mystery makeup sponge. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Let's open number 2. I need to open nothing else. I got the purple one. Woo! I need to remember which box this is in so I can add that right into the rotation ASAP. Okay, okay. Not bad. But why did I need 8 of them? I must have not been thinking when I did it. Ooh, this is blue. This is pretty blue. Oh, wow. I love that. That's super pretty. Okay. Moving along. What if I did get the gold sponge? That would be crazy. I don't know what I would do. I got the new one. This is, I don't know what he called it, but I'm gonna call it teal. I don't remember the correct name for it, but this is the color that it's giving. Isn't that cute? Okay, I'm not mad at any of these. I really just wanted purple. After that, I don't care what I get, but yeah. This is number 4? Yeah, this is number 4. Ooh, we got green. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. These are all very pretty. Even though I'm gonna get dirty with makeup, they're still very pretty. Ooh, we got Lello. We got Lello. They don't smell like nothing. I know I smell everything. They don't smell like nothing. This is red. Oh, this is a beautiful red. Wow. That is a beautiful red, if I do say so myself. Wow. And then last, but certainly not least, let's see what we've got in here. That should be gold. I'm just kidding. It's not going to be gold. Let's just see. Oh, I got pink. I feel like I got one of each color for real. Okay. Cute. So yeah, I didn't get the gold one, but again, I just wanted purple, so I'm very happy with that. I feel like I got one of each color. I didn't get any repeats, so I'm happy about that as well. As far as me keeping all these, I don't know, I may give one to my mom and maybe one to my sister, but I'm just gonna use these until, you know, it's time for me to get a new one. Let me show you the one I currently have. Hold on. So this is the one I currently have. As you can see, she is well loved, well used. This is the original white one or whatever. And yeah, I just, you know, use it for my foundation. That's really all I use it for. I don't use it for anything else but foundation. But now, since I have 9 more, maybe I can use one for concealer, use one for, I don't know. I'm really a brush girly. The only time that I use a beauty blender, a sponge, is for my foundation. But who knows? Maybe now that I have all these, I have options. But yeah, guys, that's it for this haul. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on our next one.